In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Claude to Gamma AI and also how you can create easily presentation with it. So the first step we need to connect our Gamma AI to Claude, and we can do that by opening Claude AI. And from here, you want to click on your profile in bottom left corner. Then you want to go to settings. Next, we want to go to connectors. And from here, you want to find Gamma AI, so we can click on browse connectors if you want to see it over here. And from here we can search for it. So I'm gonna type Gamma, and you can see it's over here. Create presentations, docs, socials, and sites with an AI. You want to click on this plus button. And from here it will redirect you to this Gamma page where you want to sign into your Gamma account, all right? So you can use Google account as me. And then it's going to show you that Claude wants to connect your Gamma account and you want to allow the permissions. So you can read through this and then you want to allow it. And now once the Gamma is connected, you should see configure next to it. Right now we can move to the new chat in Claude AI. And let's say we can add prompt. It should create a 7-slide presentation on how AI is transforming customer support. And I want from it to use a clean modern business theme with light colors, keep the text concise using bullet points, include relevant web images or icons on each slide. So now we can use the prompt. And if you still don't have a Gamma allowed, you want to allow it. So you want to click on always allow. And now it should generate this Gamma presentation, and this should take only a minute or two, so you just have to wait. And it's going to show you each slide, what contains. So you can see the first one is title slide. Then there is this challenge, AI chatbots. And then we will have to open the link above the edit. So as you can see, there is this edit in Gamma page. So we can click on this. And it's going to generate this external link of the presentation. So I'm going to open it in new window. And as you can see, this is our presentation created in Gamma with Claude. So how AI is transforming customer support. You can see also the pictures, right? So you can check your presentation. You can also customize it in here, or you can also customize it if you want, like in Claude. So let's say I would like to add a new slide, so I can directly type to Claude. So I already have prompt for this, so I just paste it, and I want from Claude to create a new slide explaining the potential risks of limitations of AI in customer support and how business can address them. So I'm gonna again enter this prompt. Now we can click again edit in Gamma. And now if you open it and you don't see like your whole presentation over here and it's just this one slide, I'm gonna copy, right click firstly on the slide. I'm gonna click on copy card 2. And from here you can see your presentations. And this is the first presentation which I created with Claude, and it's how AI is transforming customer support. So I'm gonna click on it. And it should add this slide over here, so as you can see. And that's basically it. So this is the risks and limitations and how to address them. I think it's pretty good for AI, and this is basically how you can create Gamma presentation using Claude AI. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.